You've seen the stories. People quitting jobs for YouTube, teens making thousands with dropshipping, freelancers living the dream. Maybe you've bought a course or two, but your bank account hasn't changed. You're putting in the time, watching videos, but nothing's moving. It's frustrating. What are you missing? This video is for you. We'll cut through the noise and reveal the real reasons you're not making money online and how to fix them. No get-rich-quick schemes, just the foundational principles that actually work. We'll break down the 5 most common roadblocks and give you actionable tools to overcome them. Let's get started. The biggest reason people fail online: shiny object syndrome. You jump from YouTube to affiliate marketing to the latest AI course, never sticking with one thing long enough to see results. Each time you switch, you reset your progress to 0. Building anything online is like planting a tree. It needs time and consistent effort. If you keep digging up the seed, it never grows. The fix: pick one business model. YouTube, freelancing, dropshipping, whatever. Commit to it for 60 days, no distractions. Unsubscribe from newsletters, mute the gurus, and focus on executing your plan. Track your progress, not vanity metrics. Count your actions: videos made, emails sent, products listed. At the end of 60 days, review what worked and what didn't. Now you have real data, not just someone else's highlight reel. Consistency, not constant change, brings results. Choose your lane, stay in it, and give it time to work. Don't let distractions steal your momentum. Every successful online earner you see, they stuck with one thing long enough to get good at it. Your turn: pick, commit, execute, review, repeat. That's how you build real results online. Stop chasing trends, start building traction. The only shortcut is focus. Don't let FOMO derail your progress. You don't need the perfect model, just one you'll actually work on. Give it your all for 60 days. Then, and only then, decide your next move. That's how you win. Here's the formula: traffic plus offer equals income. Most people have one but not the other. No audience or nothing to sell. If you build a great service but no one sees it, you get 0 sales. Don't build your shop in the desert. Go where people already are. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts to tap into existing audiences. Don't try to build an audience from scratch. Leverage platforms with built-in traffic. On the flip side, maybe you have attention but nothing to sell. People pay for solutions, not just entertainment. Define a simple, clear offer that solves a real problem. It doesn't have to be fancy. A $10 template, a $5 meal plan, a quick coaching call. Connect your content to a paid shortcut. Free content builds trust. Your offer gives a next step. You need both visibility and a valuable offer. Work on both at the same time. Build your presence and craft a solution people want. No audience, no offer, no income. Fix both and you unlock real earning potential. That's the formula. Are you a professional student of making money online? You watch tutorials, read blogs, listen to podcasts, but you're not actually creating. You know all the theory, but you're paralyzed by information overload. This is analysis paralysis. Waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. All that learning feels productive, but it's just procrastination. The fix: flip your ratio. For every hour you learn, spend 2 hours creating. Better yet, create before you consume anything. Set a tiny daily creation goal. 1 post, 1 page, 1 product, 1 email. Don't aim for masterpieces. Just build the habit of shipping. Execution is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Your first attempts will be rough. That's normal. You learn by doing, not by watching. The market rewards action, not knowledge. Before you watch another tutorial, ask, what have I created today? If the answer is nothing, close the tab and make something. Anything. Creation is the only way to move forward. Don't let learning become your comfort zone. Start small, but start now. The only way to get better is to do the work. Action beats theory every time. Let's talk about selling the roadblock that stops so many. Maybe you've made something great, but the thought of asking for money makes you freeze. You worry you'll seem pushy or that no one will buy. So your work sits unseen, helping no one. Here's the truth: selling isn't tricking people. It's offering a solution to someone who needs it. If you've made something valuable, not sharing it is a disservice. Reframe selling as an invitation, not a demand. Talk like a human. Share the benefits simply: I made this to help you. If you want it, here's where to get it. Lower the stakes, offer a discount to your first buyers in exchange for feedback. Make it a collaboration, not a hard sell. Selling is a skill. The first time feels awkward, but it gets easier. Push through the discomfort, share what you've made, explain who it's for, and be proud of your work. The market can't reward what it never sees. If you believe in your offer, you owe it to your audience to share it. Don't wait for permission, invite people to benefit. Selling is just helping at scale. Practice and you'll get better. The more you do it, the less scary it becomes. Your solution is needed, don't hide it. Share confidently and let people decide. That's real selling. The final roadblock? Unrealistic expectations. The internet is full of overnight success stories, but real results take time. You start with big goals, $500 in your first week, but when it doesn't happen, you quit. Most people give up right before things start to work. Here's the truth. First you learn, then you earn. The early days are about building skills, not making money. Adjust your timeline. Focus on daily actions, not instant results. Set a 90-day window as your training period. Your goal, show up and do the work every day no matter what. Don't expect to be a top earner in week 1. Detach your emotions from short-term results. If you get rejections, you're still winning by sticking to your process. Success is a lagging indicator of consistent effort. Online income grows slowly, then suddenly. Push through the plateau, most quit too soon. Stick with it and you'll hit your breakthrough. Don't let impatience rob you of results. Play the long game. We've covered the 5 big roadblocks: chasing trends, no audience or offer, consuming over creating, fear of selling, and unrealistic expectations. Identify the one that's holding you back most. Don't try to fix everything at once. Just pick one and focus on it this week. Making money online isn't about hacks, it's about removing these barriers one by one. Choose your path, build your offer, create consistently, share confidently, and be patient. Your journey starts with one small, deliberate change. If this helped, subscribe to Cashcept and comment below which problem you're tackling. Let's grow together.